This is my backyard, and I'm calling this the Bermuda rectangle. Hey y'all, what's up? This is my this is gonna be my contribution to the coronavirus to help not spread it, or even being affected. I'll be dealing with my lawn. Looks like I may be working from home. So this quarantine thing, or just being safe. And I will say this, I got a lot of work to do cleaning up this, and this is the Bermuda rectangle that I was telling everybody about on Facebook. I'm just going to see how I can bring this to life. The story behind it, again, is that I killed everything on here with glyphosate. As you can see with all this Bermuda, I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but all the Bermuda is coming up. Even though I glyphosated, if that's a word, I put Roundup on all of it. This is the 41% glyphosate, which is supposed to kill pretty much everything. I will say that if you have dormant grass, more particularly dormant Bermuda grass, as you can see, it don't kill it. So I'm gonna grow this out. I'm gonna pump it with RGS, humic acid, kelp, nitrogen, and I'm gonna really push it to see how much it will grow. I really want some new grass out here on the Texas bluegrass. That's what I want to change to, and make this all look like a little golf course. But this is common Bermuda. We're going to see what this does. We're going to see if this thing spreads like the coronavirus. That's the goal. Let it spread like the coronavirus. Also, this is the back of my property here. All of this goes all the way back to nearly those cars over there. It's my neighbor. So I'm taking all that. What you see there is I tried to do tall fescue. So in a nutshell, I'm looking at about an acre, half acre in the front yard, another acre at the back. So this right here is only about, I would say, by 7,000 square feet here and inside this gate, something like that. Anyway, this is my coronavirus contribution. Try to make sure we don't spread this thing any further. I'll be just doing things like this here, trying to get my property together, trying to make this pretty and green. Just give me something to do so I won't be bored. I have to clean up all that over there. I have a lot of plans, but the situation is a dire situation. Look at all the grass. You see that? I don't know where the mother plant is. It's just popping up all over. Bermuda is hard to kill. Extremely hard to kill. So I'm going to make sure that it's all thriving the next time I put the glyphosate on here and not dormant. And we're going to see what this does. So that's where we are. If you can, like my channel. I know I have like 49. I've been on Facebook. I've been on YouTube for years. I have 49 subscribers, and I know more than 49 people personally. So I would really appreciate if you like and subscribe, and then just follow this. I'm going to show all the fails and successes that I have with this journey here. We're trying to bring this Bermuda yard, trying to make it spread like the coronavirus. That's what I'm trying to do with it. I've already threw one round of fertilizer plus weed killer. You can see the weed is not standing up. It's starting to turn over. And the thing about this, I know I have the title with the coronavirus there. The thing about it, people, is that we know there's such a small number of people who are affected, very small number, and we get that. It's not an overreaction. What we're trying to do is get, when I say we, everybody in the United States should be trying to get a hold of it so that it won't get to the levels of the flu, influenza. Influenza kills thousands of people yearly, and this is similar to the influenza, whereas there's no cure, there's no vaccine for it. So with that being said, if 32 million people in 1/4 of a year gets influenza and 30,000 die, if that were the coronavirus, at its kill rate that they're showing, that would be like 2 million people almost dying. And okay, they're old or underlying conditions. Well, welcome to America. You know, being overweight could be a underlying condition. High blood pressure, diabetes, type 2, type 1, or just all these little ailments that we have pills to, you know, it's not a big deal to us. But those are underlying conditions. Not being the healthiest. This virus is going to wipe out all the unhealthy people. And that's crazy. That's crazy. So everybody do their part. And my part is going to try to be not one of the ones who's going to spread it. That's what I'm going to try to do for my family and America. Just going to be extremely cautious when I do have to go out. So I'm not going to panic and buy up all your tissue. But what I am going to do is do my part and understand and not be political about it. Oh, it's the president's fault. It's the Democrats. It's the Republican. Man, it's time to chill out on all that. It's time to come together. And if each one, instead of saying, oh, all the flights is on sale, I'm going to go, I'm going to wear a mask, I'm going to do this, they're all looking for a cheap ticket or something goes on sale, they can go out and get it so they can save a buck. That's crazy to me. That's crazy. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching this long video, and I'm sorry for panning so quick. Forgot to be still with it. Like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Hit the bell to get notification when I do update. I'm going to try to do continuous video uploads so I can have content there so you won't be bored when you do come to my page. Thanks.